Da ka jingkaman ka bakrao ka Don Bosco Technical School Shillong ka lapanlong ya ka International Teachers Day ha ka Santarig Urisao ar hajar ar phulai. Ya ka ni ka sngi la IT kerpang na ka benta kinong hikai ki barapan wandur ya ka jing im jong ki khana school da ki jing hikai bajanai jong ki. La sedang ya ka ni ka jing lekmen da ka jing puli ya ka ktien ublei ka jing duai boot sa ki jing ruai jing shat bat ki weide ki jat jing lekai ban pen bernya ya kinong hikai kum ka dak ka jing sngongo ya ka man sim IT lut jong ki. I principal jong ka skol I Father Arcadius Puwen ilaya ro ya kajing terang ban hikai bat kajing IT jong kinong hikai ban penlong ki khna kumba ki long manta. Kum kada kajing sngongu ki khna skol kila ai ya kijing ai sngoba bakerpang na kabanta kinong hikai. Kajing rakhe ya kani kasngi kalabu dak ha kajing mujing perkhat jong kinong hikai bat ki khna skol ba kindon barabor hapdeng kajing ya teli.
Then that couple will be the winner. All right. Once again, music.
Okay, now the next action which will be eliminated is enemy.
Music once again.
Okay, next action. Any guesses? It's enemy.
Once again, music.
Okay, the next elimination couple is from Action Friendship.
We have another two couples. Let us see who's going to be the winner.